They threw words like stones, called it just jokes. I carried them home, heavy in my backpack, heavier in my head. Depression whispered, stay quiet, stay small. Bullied? Yes. Broken? No. But PE taught me different. On the track, I didn't run from them, I ran for me. Move your body, protect your mind, I'm still standing. Physical education is not about judging others. It teaches us kindness, respect, and confidence. When we support one another instead of bullying, everyone grows stronger together.
Kuha ko na si Rainier ng bibigyan ko lang.
Baka gusto niyo sumama mag-exercise.
Sige, tara.
Physical education helps us make friends and work as a team.
Looking for a fun way to stay healthy, make new friends, and become the best version of yourself? Physical education, make all this possible. It's your chance to grow, learn, and live a healthier life. Let's get moving!
We learn to communicate, encourage each other, and enjoy every challenge together. Because when we work together, everyone succeeds. Physical education improves focus, reduces stress, and prepares us to learn with confidence. Move your body and sharpen your mind. A healthy body creates a healthy mind. Physical education is more than just a school subject. It's a way to live a healthier, happier, and more confident life. So don't wait, get up, stay active, and discover the best version of yourself through physical education.